right, we're going to say, spell, say, and I want you to skywrite with me. Ready? Hope. H-O-P-E. Hope. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Note. N-O-T-E. Note. Rope. R-O-P-E. Rope. Cute. C-U-T-E. Cute. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Nice. N-I-C-E. Nice. Ledge. L-E-D-G-E. Ledge. Ago. A-G-O. Ago. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Good job, guys. All right, let's do our sight words. Are you ready? What's one word? Go. Whisper this one. Girl. Whisper this one. How. Say this one really loud. Old. Whisper this one. All right, let's put the sight words in the boxes for this week. Okay, are you ready? So let's read them. We rode in carts long. Ooh, what would we use? Long. Let's read the words. Ago, boy, girl, how, old, people. Ago, good job. We rode in carts a long time ago. Okay, so the next one. This play is very, what do we use? This play is very old. Good job. This play is very old. This blank has a cap. This blank has a cap. We're going to use, already used old and ago and old. So how, boy, girl, or people. This boy, okay, let's try boy, B-O-Y. Boy, this boy has a cap. Some blank live here. Some blank live here. Some people, because it's more than one. It's a group of people. Some people live here. This blank is in school. This blank is in school. So we have how? We have girl. So how about this girl is in school? This girl is in school. Good job. Okay, so we used ago. We use boy. We use girl. We use old. We've used people. So now we have how. This is how to fish. This is how to fish. Very good. All right. So remember, we're going to circle the nouns to see if, talk about if we use is or are. Okay. So my name is Steve. Remember, when we use is, we're talking about one. The noun is singular. And when we're talking about are, the noun is plural. That means it has an S on the end, or ing, or ed. Okay, those suffixes, and we talked about those suffixes before. So my name is Steve. So do we use is or are? We used is. Why did we use is? Right, because Steve is our noun, and it's plural. He's one person. Okay. People are standing on the bridge. Is or are? We used are. Very good. But why did we use are? We used are because we're talking about a group. That noun is people. People is what we're talking about, and it's more than one. It's plural. The girl is placing plants in the pots. The girl is placing plants in the pots. Okay, so we used is, right? We used is. Because our noun, which is girl, is singular. We're talking about one. Talking about one. So girl, so we're going to use is because that is our present tense verb. Alright, we will play together on Sunday. Did we use is or are? Do you see is or are in there? I don't see it in there. We put we will play. So that's happening in the future. So we will play together on Sunday. So that's happening in the future. Not the present. Not the present. It's also missing something at the end, you see. It's missing a punctuation mark. Very good. What would we put there? Maybe a period. Or we can exclamation mark of saying, we will play together on Sunday because you're excited. Alright, good job, first graders.